Hey guys, Sally here. I'm the Drone Girl. I just wanted to pop in for all you YouTube subscribers to let you know, one, about this gorgeous book that I just got, and two, to let you know that I'm doing an Instagram giveaway. I put the link right down below to find out about this Instagram giveaway, but I wanted to tell you about this book. It is so beautiful. It's called Eyes Over the World, and this is the first book I've ever seen that's entirely drone images. So it's this beautiful hardbound book, and it's got all these aerial photos. They're grouped by location, grouped by gorgeous color palette. I love how the photos look next to each other. And this book was created by Dirk Dallas. You might know him from Instagram fame, hence the Instagram contest. He runs the account From Where I Drone, which posts tons of user-generated drone videos. Gosh, I love this contrast of the whales and the hippos aerials. Anyway, he posts tons of drone photos from the community, and the best of those images can be found right here. So anyway, I wanted to let you know about this book. It just came out in May. I wanted to pop in to make sure you saw it. It's a gorgeous coffee table book. I've been trapped in my house for the past few months, haven't really left a ton, and so I am looking for something to spruce up my own coffee table. You can get it on Amazon, but you can get it for free through my Instagram contest. It's all you have to do is like my post on Instagram, tag 3 people, do it before June 10th because that's the cutoff, and happy flying!